Hello, so welcome. Today we are going to learn how to create an image using Canva. So first of all, we're coming to ChatGPT here to copy our text. Once we have done that, we're going to copy it and then we're going to head over to Canva. So this is the Canva environment. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here where it says make me an image. So we're going to click here. So now as you can see, I've already generated some images. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going here to choose the aspect ratio of the type of image that I want to create. There are so many of them. If you want to create a YouTube short style aspect ratio, you can choose 9 by 16. If you want to use the YouTube uh, video style, you're going to choose 16 by 9. So I want to choose the YouTube video style. All I'm going to do is click there and I'm going to paste my text here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. So Canva gives you over 400 plus point coins to use every month. So every month these coins are renewed. So I have used them and I have just 254. So as you can see, our image is generated. This is beautiful. So you can click here to download any one that you want. You can just click and download any one that you want. Okay, so if you click on these three dots on the top right corner of your screen on the images, you see that there's image guidance. If this is how you want your images to appear, you can click there and then they will Canva will generate this type of images. Okay, so let's go ahead and I've choose that type of image, so it has appeared here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on create again. So let's see what it comes with. So this really comes in handy when you want to start creating faceless video content for your YouTube channel. So okay, so it has generated another one. So let's click and download this one. Okay, so that is it. That is how to create an image using Canva. See you next time. Bye bye.